How to lock WhatsApp without installing any app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to lock WhatsApp without installing any app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings on your device. Scroll down and locate Privacy option. Tap on it. Now select Privacy next to Permissions. Now tap App Lock and enter your privacy password. Now scroll down and locate WhatsApp. Toggle the button on and tap Lock next to All section, and you can see that we have successfully locked WhatsApp. When you try opening it, you have to enter privacy password. And then you can easily access WhatsApp. So that is how we lock WhatsApp without installing any app. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.